all doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Ghana maxi dress. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, you are very much welcome. Do click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell for you to be notified when there's a new video. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. God bless you. Now, I'll be using 3 meters of fabric for this dress, but I've already cut 1 meter of fabric aside. That will be for the sleeve, but the fabric we are looking at here is 2 meters and it's by 60. It's by 60. So I'm using all the, I told you we'll be making gathered maxi dress. So I will have a small top, like half of it. So I'll make that half of it to be 9 inches. So I'm going to cut the 9 inches from this fabric here. So I will mark 9 inches here. So I'll cut it out. So that will be for the top that I'm going to use. The upper one. So I'm going to cut this out. That will be for the upper part, because we're making gathered maxi dress. This is the 9 inches here. Now, for you to know how much fabric that you are going to cut, now I've already cut this. What you are going to do is that you're going to measure your bust. So after measuring your bust, you are going to divide it by 4. So whatever you get will be what you are going to use to cut your fabric. So the measurement that I will be using for the bust is 39. So 39 divided by 4 is 9.75. So 9.75, then I had 4.5 inches to it. So now if you measure your bust, you are going to divide it by 4. Then whatever you have, you are going to add like 4, between 3 to 4 inches to it. So you can see that this back fabric is 1 inch more than the front one. So I left this 1 inch for the zip. See, I'm going to measure 3 inches here, 3 inches, 3 inches here. You mark it on the first fabric. So the 3 inches will be here. 3 inches. You can see it here. Then my shoulder is 16 inches. So I will divide 16 inches by 2. That will give me 8. So I will now measure 8. You place your fabric, your tape measurement here, 8. Then you bring your 8 down here. You mark your 8 here. So measure 1 inch here. That will be for the slope. Now I will have to connect it with the neck width. So my neck width is 3 inches here and my shoulder is here. So I will connect this 1 inch now, the slope, with 3. So that's it now. So now I will measure the back depth of 2 inches. Back depth of 2 inches. Back depth of 2 inches, which is there. Then front depth of 3 inches, which is here. Now we are going to connect this together. The 3 inches to the depth of 2 inches. Then you connect it together. You connect the front to it as well. Now this is the 2 inches for the back depth, and this is the 3 inches for the front depth of the neck. Then we have to measure the armhole now. So the armhole from here under the slope line, so is 8. The armhole is going to be 8, which is there. Then now I hope you can see it. Now the next thing to do right now is to look for the midpoint of the armhole now. So the midpoint, this is a, so the midpoint will be 4, which is there. That is the midpoint of our armhole. Then here we are going to measure ½ inch here, or 3/4. So sorry, if your fabric is slippery, you can just pin it down or place something that is heavy on it so that it won't move. Now the next thing is to connect the armhole area then you connect this as well. We are going to measure the bust measurement, which is 9.75. So 9.75 is there. Then I will add 2 inches to it. I will add 2 inches to it. So that will be for the sewing and the allowance. 2 inches to it now for the sewing and the ease allowance. I think you can see it. Now, so the next thing right now is to cut the back of the fabric first. Remember, we are cutting the back now, so we are going to move this way. So this is the back that we are going to cut. Now we've cut the back now. Now we are going to separate it. So let me cut this off. This is the front now, and this is the back now. So we've already cut this. Now we are going to cut the front part of it, the 3/4 here. Then we're going to cut the neckline area. So I'm cutting the 3/4 here now. Now I've cut the 3/4 now, so I will now cut the neck line. So this is it now. So this is the front part. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be notified when there's a new video. Thank you. I'm going to split it into two because I'm going to use zip for it. This will be for the sleeve, the two sleeve, and this will be for the bottom that I will gather. So what I will do right now, I will take it to the machine and insert the zip here. I will insert the zip here at the back. Then I join it together. I join it together with this. So this will be the back, front. Then I will sew it around here. Then I will use bias to tape the neck. Then here at the bottom, I will take the bottom one. I will take the bottom one, then I join it just to gather the bottom one. Then I join it together with this. Then I will show you how it looks like. Then I will insert the sleeve as well. Then I will show you the outcome of it. So if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to the channel. Click on the red button to subscribe, and don't forget also to click on the notification bell for you to be notified when there's a new video. Now I will be joining this shoulder together. Now I'm attaching the seat to the blouse. Here is the outcome of the dress.